Welcome to another video. Today we are going to solve this Math Olympiad question of square root of x times square root of x times square root of x equals to 7. Right, then let's provide solution very quickly. And the third thing here is to copy what we have. We have square root of x then times the square root of x times the square root of x times the square root of x inside right here, and must be equals to 7. And the third thing here, to remove this radical we have right here, you have to square both sides, and we shall say here we shall get x square root of x is inside the square root of x inside the square root of x right here, and shall get 7 squared. In order to remove again this square root we have right here, we shall square both sides. Now here we shall say we have x squared times square root of x square root of x square root of x, okay, then squared, which will be 7, then this power will be multiplied to get 7 power 4. And at this stage here, this one will be simplified to get x squared times x, then square root of x, okay, which is this one, times square root of x, which equals to 7 power 4. At this stage here we have power 1. We have same base, to mean that we will add this power to get x power 3 square root of x, then inside the right here we have square root of x again, which is equal to 7 power 4. And in order to remove this square root, we shall square both sides, then we shall get x power 3 squared times square root of x. Inside right here we have square root of x, then squared, which equals to 7, then 7 power 8. Here this power will be multiplied to get here x power 6 times this one x square root of x, which equals to 7 power 8. Then here at this stage, this one has power of 1, right, to get x power 7 square root of x is equals to 7 to the power of 8. And we want to remove this radical again here by square both sides, then to get what, x power 7 squared, then times square root of x, then squared, which equals to 7 power 8 times 2, that is 7 power 16. At this stage we have x power 14 times x, which equals to 7 power 16. And remember that here you have invisible power, which is x power 1, and shall say that x power 15 equals to 7 power 16. And at this stage, in order to move this 15, we shall here square x power 15 square 1 over 15, and will be equal to 7 power 16, then power 1 over 15. And at this stage our x will be 7 power 16 over 15 as final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.